Go ahead, go over science Bellwork for this week, week 16, day 1. Discussing why planets don't crash into each other. Again, more or less gravitational force, mass, distance, and you're going to be introduced to inertia today. So just as we know that the sun will rise every morning, we expect the planets and the moon to stay in their orbits, and rightly so. For 400 years, people have understood that the movements of Earth, the moon, the planets, and all other bodies in the universe are determined by precise and predictable laws of force and motion. These laws tell us that the path of an object is controlled by two forces, gravity and inertia. Inertia keeps an object moving in a straight line and at a constant speed until it is pushed or pulled on by a force. Everything with mass has inertia, and the more massive something is, the more inertia it has. In the absence of all other forces, such as air resistance or gravity, inertia would allow a baseball that was hit out of the park to travel in a straight line all the way to the edge of the universe. Okay, so we talked about inertia. Inertia keeps an object moving in a straight line and at a constant speed until it is pushed or pulled on by a force. Everything with mass has inertia. And the more massive an object is, the more inertia it will have. So what two forces govern the movement of the planets and all other bodies in the universe? So it says these laws tell us that the path of an object is controlled by two forces. These two forces would be gravity and inertia. All right, part B, cross out the incorrect word in each sentence below and write the correct word above it to make the statement true. Gravity keeps an object moving in a straight line at a constant speed. Well, we know that this is inaccurate because it's not gravity, it's actually inertia. So we would cross out inertia, or cross out gravity, and we would change that to inertia. Number 2, the path of a baseball is unaffected by the laws of motion. Well, down here at the bottom of the second paragraph, it says inertia would allow a baseball that was hit out of the park to travel in a straight line all the way to the edge of the universe. And that's caused by laws of motion, so we wouldn't say unaffected, we would cross that out and put affected or determined. Let's go with determined. So number 2 would be determined. Number 3, the more mass an object has, the less inertia it has. So we know the more mass an object has, the more inertia it will have. So we will cross out less and put more. And that is your Science Bellwork Week 16, Day 1 for the day. See you guys.